What's up, y'all? Get ready with me to go to the hair salon to get my hair done. We're doing a wash and go today, so let's see how this hair turns out. By the way, I'm with my brother. He's giving me a ride. So yeah, let's go. If anything, we could just do a twist out. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Cindy, and today it's time to take out the twist out. Yay! Okay, you guys are going to just go ahead, grab your Lord Jesus, what's going on? But anyways, you guys are gonna go ahead and grab your oil. I cannot find micro essence oil for the life of me, so I'm gonna use those. This is a rosehip oil, and this is castor oil. Anyways, you can start from the back or the front, whichever you want to start, but I'm going to start from the back. But first, what I'm going to do is I am going to use this hair serum. Put a little bit on my palm, rub it, and then grab whatever I'm grabbing and then start taking my twist out. And you don't really have to do much with the twist out. Find a middle ground and then just, this is all. And if you want, you could separate it into 3 or 4. It's up to you. But anyways, yo, if you haven't tried a twist out yet, what are you waiting for? And if you have done it before, drop some tips down in the comment below. Maybe I could use some of them. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.